What if I told you that you can create realistic animated characters that talk, react, and feel almost human, just like this video?
Okay, first date rule number 1. Don't look desperate. Perfect start.
I was worried I'd embarrass myself first.
What can I get for you two?
Something that says, I'm sophisticated, but also I cry during cartoons. So,
Vanilla latte? So, I usually just point at the pictures when I order.
that is surprisingly endearing. What can I get started for you?
I'll just have the cappuccino, please.
And the salmon for me.
We are terrible at this.
And the craziest part is that you don't need any expensive software or advanced animation skills. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create a fully animated cartoon like the one you just watched, step by step. You'll also learn the 3 secrets behind the entire process: how to come up with a compelling story, how to create stunning skins and lifelike characters, and finally how to turn everything into a fully animated video. By the end of this video, you'll learn everything you need to start creating your own animated contents. So let's get started with the step 1 is to write a story, and now we're going to start by writing our story. To write our story, we need a prompt, and I have already my master prompt here. So what we're going to do is to copy this master prompt into our clipboard and go ahead and paste it into ChatGPT. So before we go to ChatGPT, I want to walk you through how I wrote this master prompt. It starts like this: I want to write a short animated story for a video project. Here are the details of the video. The topic is a romantic comedy set in a cafe on a first date. The theme is awkward charm and unexpected connection. The target age group is 18 to 35 years old, and the number of our characters is 2, a man and a woman on a date. The story length is medium, about 2 to 3 minutes of screen time. Tone, light-hearted and romantic. Please also include a title for the story, a brief skin-by-skin breakdown, natural dialogue between characters, a clear beginning, middle, and the end. The story should be engaging and suitable for animation. You can also tweak this prompt according to your preference. So let's go ahead and copy it to our clipboard and we paste it into ChatGPT. After copying, we head over to ChatGPT. After pasting our prompt, this is what ChatGPT gave us. Let me walk you through the story. The title of the story is 2 Coffees and a Lie. Skin 1 is the arrival, setting, narration is there. All this prompt actually contains everything we need to start creating a story which interests us and it has a lot of value to us. So let's go ahead and also ask another question. After that, I also went ahead and asked ChatGPT another question like, also give me image prompts for each skin with characters, description in details. So after that, this is what ChatGPT gave us. Emma is a 26 female-year-old girl, and this is the description of the Emma. Jake is male, 28 years old. This is all the description, the outfit and the age, everything, skin tone, and everything we need. So the cafe environment is cozy, modern cafe, warm yellow lighting, rainy. So this is the skin 1 and the image prompt. Skin 2, the image prompt is also there. Skin 3, skin 4, skin 5, up to the last skin. So I also went ahead to ask ChatGPT again another question like, also give me video or animation prompts for each skin with dialogue. So this is the animation and the video prompts we are going to use to animate all our videos. So starting with skin 1, this is the animation prompt with each dialogue, Emma, Jake, and everything. So skin 2 also like that with the dialogue in it. So the next thing we are going to do is to create our images or skin images, and we're going to start by creating the characters so that we maintain the consistency of our characters. So the first thing I want to do is to copy the one of Emma. After copying the one of the character description of Emma, we are going to head over to Google Flow to create our animations. Step 2, creating our skin images, and we have already copied our first skin image into our clipboard. So the next thing we're going to do is to just search from here. Click on the search icon here and type Google Flow AI. Click on the first results here. After that, it will bring you to this kind of interface and it will prompt you to sign in with your Google account. So I'm going ahead to select my Google account, as you are seeing. After completing sign in, it will bring you to this kind of interface which looks like this. What we're going to do is just click on new project to proceed. As you can see in the screen here, these are some of the projects I created before, and if you have been using it earlier, it will show you this kind of projects. After that, it will bring you to this kind of interface. So what you're going to do is to click on this video icon here. Click here. Okay, what we're going to do is to change to images. After changing to images, make sure you upset your aspect ratio and the number of generations you want. So after that, we're going back to create our first character, which is Emma. So I'm going to paste the prompt here. After pasting, I'm going to click on generate. After that, choose the image you like. Click on it. Make sure you download it to your gallery by clicking on the download icon on top of the website here. As you can see, click on 2K and your image will be automatically downloaded to your gallery. So let's go back ahead and get our prompt for the second character. Now let's go ahead and copy the second character prompt into our clipboard, which is Jake. Then we go back again to Google Flow to create our image. Google Flow, paste the prompt in the prompts box here. Click on the prompts box. After clicking, you paste the prompt. Now after pasting, click on the generate option and our image will start generating automatically. Now this is our second character. Let's click on it and copy it over. Repeat the same process again and again until you complete creating all the character images. And after creating all the character images, we're going to create our skin animations, skin images. We're going to go back to ChatGPT for our prompts for skin 1. So I want you to pay attention to this skin 1 prompt because I want us to maintain the consistency of our character images you have just downloaded. Like in this image prompt here, skin 1 image prompt, we are talking about Emma. Like, let me show you first. We are talking about Emma, and what we're going to do is to copy our prompt into the clipboard and make sure we're talking about Emma entering the cafe. So copy it to our clipboard, and after copying to our clipboard, we are going to Google Flow. Click on it. What we're going to do here is to first paste our prompt. After pasting our skin 1 prompt, what we're going to do is to now upload our images so that we can maintain the consistency of our characters to be the same with the one we are creating right now with the skin 1 images. So click on the plus icon here, and after clicking on the plus icon, you're going to select the cafe. Go ahead and click on the plus icon again. Select the image of Emma, add to prompt, and also go ahead again and add the image of Jake. After clicking, select the image of Jake, click on it, click on add to prompt, and after uploading all the images which we are talking about in the prompts here, now click on generate, and our skin 1 image will start generating. Remember, we are doing all this because we want our character images and the skin images to remain consistent across all our scenes. So by doing this, we will maintain all the consistency of our characters and the images and everything you are doing. So let's go ahead and see our image we created, the first skin image. So our skin 1 image is ready. Click on it to download it to our gallery. As you can see, we have maintained the character description of our prompts, like the prompts of Emma is resembling the other one we first created, the character image. Even the one of Jake is resembling the character image we created, and also the environment is resembling the one we created. So what we're going to do is to just click. Now what you're remaining is to download it to our gallery. Just go ahead and click on the download icon on top of the website. Click on 2K and your image will start automatically downloading to your gallery. And after that, go ahead and repeat the same process again and again until you complete generating all the skin images. And after you're completing all the skin images, the next thing you're going to do is to animate it or turn these images into video. Step 3, animating our images, and we're going to use Google Flow also for that. But before we go to look for our prompts, then we need to first go and do some settings. We change from image generation to video generation. So click on Nano Banana Pro here, and it will bring you this kind of interface. What you want to do is click on video. And after clicking on video, we're going to leave the number of, we are going to change also to frames because we are going to use images to create our video. So the aspect ratio, we are going to leave it at 16:9 because we are creating a YouTube video. And the number of generation, we are going to leave at 1, we change to 1x because we don't want to waste our credits. Good to go. Let's head over to ChatGPT to get our video prompts to create our animations. So when you're in ChatGPT, so I'm going to copy this skin 1 prompt. So I'm going to copy it to our clipboard, and we go back to Google Flow. So what I want to do here is to upload our skin 1 image. So I'm going to start from here. Click on start to upload our first image. Be added to our prompt box. So I'm going to paste our prompt here. Paste our animation prompt and click on generate. After clicking on generate, our video will start animating automatically. So let's wait a little bit as our image is being animated. Now our skin 1 video has been created. Let's click on it to preview it.
Okay, first date rule number 1. Don't look desperate. Perfect start.
You know, I was worried I'd embarrass myself first.
So let's go ahead and download it to our gallery. Click on the download option here, and our video will start downloading automatically. Now let's go ahead and create our skin 2 video or animation. To create our skin 2 animation, let's go back to ChatGPT for our image prompt, for animation prompt. So copy the skin 2 animation prompt into our clipboard, and after copying it, head over to Google Flow and paste it there in the prompts box. When you're in Google Flow, paste it in the prompts box, upload the skin 2 image and click on generate, and our videos will start generating automatically. After that, you will start repeating the same process again and again until you complete generating all the skins. And after you're done creating all the skins, what you're going to do is to go to another step, which is stitching all the videos together or combining all the videos together using your favorite AI. After combining all the clips together, you'll be having a full animated video and you're good to go. You'll either share it on TikTok, YouTube, or any other platform you prefer. Thank you for watching this video up to this part, and thank you for always supporting me. And if you're a new subscriber, please subscribe. And if you're the old subscriber, thank you so much for always coming to support me. And if you've been on this channel for a long time, please don't forget to watch other videos on the screen here. See you in my next video. Bye.